Hang on, Dan.
Alright Johnny, you ready for your new car?
Yeah.
It really is something, isn't it?
Yeah. Love it.
I told you, the black sapphire just
Deserves the black.
I've got big ones.
Splash of water from the covers.
That's what I
Yeah, don't worry, we'll wipe them off. Right Johnny, jump inside.
Go on.
It should, if you've got the key on you, it should just open. Unless Sean hasn't ticked the box yet.
Right?
That's it.
Oh, that's
There you
that. Do you want to make sure just go again as a... Got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Just be getting used to that. What do you think?
Love it.
Yeah, it's incredible, isn't
Yeah,
it? The scary thing is, it looks very minimalistic just with a big screen,
yeah.
but you wouldn't believe how much stuff's on the car. It's so intelligent. Which Sean's going to send you to sleep now, going through all of the bits on the car, and you get it properly set up. One thing I would do is put your phone on the charging pad just so you can get a bit more. There's your